the flow haircut. Probably one of the most used haircut names that we've seen in quite some time, aside from like the mop top or wolf cut. But the flow haircut has been around for many, many years. And I personally have been doing them on clients of mine, way before it even became a thing. Before I think TikTok even existed, I was doing this stuff. And back then, a flow was always to me more of like the Justin Bieber old school haircut where it just swept across, where you could sweep your, toss the head to the side and the hair flows over. I used to have a lot of clients that played hockey and stuff. So to me, it was always like, I want that flow haircut. I was like, okay, it's just hair kind of towards the face, covering the face, and just, it goes like this. That was the flow to me. Now the flow is more about layering. So let's break down some haircuts. And I've created these images using AI technology. And let me know if you enjoy these videos, because I have a really fun time filming. I'm doing this on a cinematic camera as well, my Red camera. And, I just enjoy bringing a whole new level of production. Plus, these images are super cool. So in these photos, you'll see a variety of different types of haircuts. The flow haircut really is about the shape of it and what makes a flow. Well, when you look at the way the hair moves, and movement is created by a technique called layering. If you layer the hair, you're going to be able to see movement in the hair, flow. If it flows back, it's like waves. You see different layers of waves. It's the same thing in the ocean. A haircut will have a flow if it's cut the right way. If your haircut is not layered, you won't have a flow. It could be, all one length and very heavy, and you can get your hair to kind of flow slightly, but it's not going to look like that layered cut that you're looking for. And depending on what type of look that you're going for, depends on how short the layers need to be. I have this mannequin right here that I've cut, and this haircut seems to get a lot of attention. People seem to really like this. And when I run my fingers through it, as you can see right into here, look at how the hair is, guess what? Flowing, okay? The haircut is flowing back. And the reason it's doing that is simply because of the way the hair was layered. Holding this up, you could see, as I'm holding this mannequin, you could see that this is how long the layers are. However long the layers are, meaning it's going to drop to a certain point. So if I hold it up here, it's going to fall here. If I held the hair way up here, it's going to fall down a lot longer. And if it was shorter, it would just fall here. So you have to make sure that whenever you're getting your hair cut, this flow that you're looking for has to be the length that you want. You could have a longer flow, you can have a shorter flow. The thing is about these types of layered haircuts is if it's too short, you may not see the flow as much. It's going to end up being more of a spike type of haircut. So you want to make sure that when you brush your hands through it, you have to determine where you want to see the flow happening. And that's really important that you share this with your hair professional, because, if you don't really have an idea, they're not going to know what to go off of. And you have to basically make it a lot easier for them so they can understand what you want. Show photographs. You could even point saying, I want to see the layers like down here. I don't want them way up here. I want them down here. Don't be afraid to use visual cues, AKA your hands, and let them know. If you have a haircut where you love where the length is, and maybe it's been, 4 months or 5 months since you've had an actual haircut, simply say, look, just maybe do a half an inch, the bare minimum, just clean up the ends. I don't want any more than this. I don't want, I like where the length is. It's just the ends are dead. So really a light skimming on the ends. Don't go too short, because sometimes hair professionals, barbers, or hairstylists, maybe they go, scissor happy and they chop all your hair off, especially if you have the perfect length. So make sure that you are very, very adamant with what you want, okay? And now when it comes to getting this haircut, there's a few different types of haircut shapes. So a rounded shape, or what I like to do when I'm cutting hair, is, I hold everything straight out from the head, right? That's how I've been cutting hair for a long time. In my opinion, that grows out the best. So a rounded shape is going to really maximize the head shape. It's going to grow out the best. It's great for adding fullness. And in a lot of these haircuts, you can see that some of the haircuts are a bit longer, right? And it has more of a square shape, which means that those corners are actually left. The corners meaning where the side of your head rounds out. And if you've seen my haircut videos, I always say the way I cut hair, it's the top, the corners, and the sides. The top, the corners, and sides. So the corners, where the head rounds, it's left, think of it as like a literal square, like a box on your head. It's held straight up, and then the corners are left. They're not cut, and then it's held this way. So it's like this. Those corners in through here are longer, which will weigh the hair down. So a lot of these longer flows have more of a square shape, which means that the layers are going to be a bit more down in through here in the sides. That's why in a lot of these photos, you're going to see these models and these haircuts that have a longer, more square shape flow. That means it's going to be a bit flatter throughout the top, but you're going to see the layering throughout more of the bottom half of it. Then you've got more of the rounded type of layering that I like to do, which to me, it grows out the best. It's just, you're going to have a bit more of a shorter, more balanced type of layer. This is where you're going to see the flow a bit more if you want to see that. If you don't want to see it, then you go with more of a square layer. If you want to see more of the fullness and the structure and have everything balanced, like a lot of the haircuts that I do, then you go for more of a rounded or just out from the head. Hair grows out from the head, not always up, but out. So you can get a variety of different shapes with that flow. If you are confused on what haircut shapes are, then I actually created PDF downloadable ebooks that you can purchase, very, very affordable, that breaks down what haircut shapes are and then the best haircuts for your face based off of that. Everybody just goes right to face shape, face shape, face shape. But as a professional, there's something called haircut shapes. And a lot of professionals don't even know about this, or they're not really applying them in the haircuts. They just focus on your face, which is important. But understanding the best haircut shape for your face is really going to give you the best results. So you could even see them here and view products, or at my website, shop.thesalonguy.com. So let me know in the comments below, what type of flow haircut do you have? And this goes for men's hair, women's hair. It's really just a layered haircut. A flow is a cosmetic name for the look, just like feathered layers, flowing layers, all that stuff. It's just a cosmetic name for a layered haircut and the way the hair flows. Again, you can have a flow haircut where it's all in the face and it flows over in one direction, or you can have more of a middle part where everything flows off the face, but you're still seeing that flow. Let me know if you enjoyed this cinematic presentation, if you enjoy this type of video and these images, and check out the downloadable PDF ebooks. And also, if you're looking for a virtual consultation with me, I offer those. It's a VIP experience. I'm going to also be launching it in person here in my studio in New Jersey, which is a real VIP experience. And it's going to be something amazing that I'm working on. So thanks so much for watching. Leave comments below, subscribe. I'll see you soon.